Hi everyone. This was filmed back in July. It was one evening. The sun was going down and the cats, a number of blind cats, went up the olive tree. They were going hunting. Fergus had gone up first. But the blind cats had heard a commotion in the tree and they were going to be part of it. I've never been able to show this video without sounding like a Dalek, so I'm hoping this will be the full version for you. Now, for anyone that doesn't know, this is Mabel. And Mabel's blind. But Mabel is in the olive tree to hunt cicadas. There were so many of them this year. If there's anyone here that's never seen a blind cat before, then you are in for a treat, because here comes the tree master. This is Harry, and Harry's also blind. Now Harry's going to go up this branch and bump into Mabel. Harry wants to get to the top of the tree, but Mabel isn't going to let him. When it comes to climbing trees, this cat he's Buzz Lightyear. He'll go all the way to the top, as he will show you in this video. He's absolutely fearless. He's full of confidence. He's an amazing cat. He's the most amazing blind cat that I've ever had. If any of you think that blind cats shouldn't be outside, shouldn't be in trees, I would completely disagree with you. They were born as cats, with a cat's senses and instincts. They know what to do. You know, in Harry's world, he's not disabled, he's not blind. This is the way it is. This is all he has known. He has adapted to what he has, what he's got and how he can use it. And he uses it so well.
Harry, no.
He can hear those cicadas, he can sense them, but he's getting frustrated
Harry.
that he can't catch one.
No.
He comes down a tree head first in the dark. I have trouble making it across the lounge floor in the dark. I have to shuffle across like an old man just in case I bump into something. Harry isn't finished. The light was going down now, and the cats they were having such a good time. Now this is Trauma. Trauma isn't completely blind, she's got partial sight. Now Trauma goes up to where Mabel is, and Mabel's happy with that. The problem is with Harry, he doesn't make friends easy. Well, he doesn't make them at all, he's lost all his friends. I'm his only friend left now. Harry can get short and sharp with cats, and especially the blind cats like Mabel, and they're wary of him. Mabel would not give up. She was the last one to come out the tree. This is Callie. Callie can see, and she was going up and then thought better of it. Harry heard those cicadas and he was going to go back up for another try. There's Scoots. Scoots is also blind.
Harry, not that way.
Harry does listen to me sometimes.
Harry. Well done, Harry. Well done. Well done, you. Well done, Harry. Come on, Mabel. Come on, Mabel. Well done, Harry. Well done. Who's clever?
Scoots had been waiting patiently, heard there was something going on out there, and he decides to come up as well. So now you've got 3 blind cats in a tree, one that's got partial sight. There is no panic, there is no confusion. There is enjoyment, excitement, adventure. People have got blind cats so wrong. And this is not a one-off with my cats, this is the norm with them. Going up and down trees, playing in the garden. These are just day-to-day things that they've been allowed to do, encouraged to do. And this is the end result. So now Scoots is coming down the tree. He knows how he can get down. He'll swing his body round and he'll come down bum first.
Well done, Scoots. Well done. Well done. Right, Mabel. Any chance? I want to go to bed.
Harry, on the other hand, comes down head first and then jumps. They've each got their own way. Hope you've all enjoyed the video, everyone. I know it's a long one, but it's well worth watching. If you'd like to know more about my blind cats, how they live their lives day to day, it'd be great to have you at the channel.
Mabel.
And as usual,
Any chance we can come down
we
now?
will see you all again soon.